We are here at 210 Dryden Road. We are on the second floor landing. You can see the stairs from the entrance and the stairs that go up to the third floor. We are across from the shared lounge. And let's take a look at room 20. So that's the first room here at the top of the stairs. Let's go on in. I like this room because it has 3 nice bright windows. We're facing to the south. This is the Dryden Road or the street side of the house. As you come in, we've got the furnishings. There's that tall bookshelf, the dresser, the desk and chair. We have that full-size bed. There's a fan. There is a mini fridge here in the room as well. It's got a freezer on top. You also have access to the shared kitchen, which has a larger fridge and your stove and microwave and washer and dryer as well. And let's take a look. So again, we're on Dryden Road. You can see the Brazano Family Center out across the street from us. So you can see our location on Dryden Road. Across the street from us is the end of Linden Avenue. So that's a look at room number 20 here at 210 Dryden Road, a second floor room. You have a private bedroom with shared kitchen and bathroom access at the end of the hall on the floor.